In this video everyone, we take a look at the Roller Team control panel. So the first thing we're going to do, everyone, is turn the control panel on. To do this, we press this button in the bottom right hand corner. Please note, I am pressing the button, not the symbol itself. The control panel is now on. Now, for the benefit of the brightness on this video, the next thing we're going to press is this button over on the left, which of course has got the symbol of a light bulb. So we're going to press that, and now we have some light on the video. Once this has been pressed, of course, it does mean that all the lights can be individually turned on and off. But another important factor of this is your TV, if you are using it on the 12-volt supply, will not work unless the light is switched on. So please remember, this does need to be turned on for the 12-volt for the TV to work. So the next thing to press is in the top left corner, is the water pump. When we activate this, of course, it means we can wash our hands, do the dishes, have a shower. What I would recommend to everyone watching this video is when you retire at night and go to bed, and more importantly, of course, when you leave the van at all unattended, that you switch this off. Why? Should there be a fault in the system and maybe there's a slight leak or what have you, leaving this pump on could well mean that the pump is pumping out that water through that leak. So we always turn this off at night when we have retired to bed and when we're leaving the van unattended. The next button below is the outside light. Now, on our Roller Team van, I don't know about your particular vehicle, our Roller Team light seems to light up the world. I feel almost embarrassed using it at all on the campsite, but this button here is basically putting that on. So the button in the lower left corner, which has the thermometer, allows you to see what the system thinks the temperature is on the inside of the van. The next button over on the top right hand corner, when we press it, shows how much fresh water we have in the tank. Now, yes, this Roller Team control panel is a very simple panel. I actually prefer this. If you own, say, a Swift motorhome, for instance, they have what I think is called a Swift command system, and it looks very fancy. It gives you lots of precise numbers, which you could argue is really nice. I actually don't need to know whether I've got 48% of water, 49% of water, whatever. This works in 33% increments, so you've got 33%, 99%, and then effectively 100%. And that's all I really need to know. Once that gets to 33%, I fill up the fresh water. If you press it again, you then see what's in the grey waste water tank. Now, of course, ours is currently empty. But again, this works on the same principle, 33%, 66%, or 100%. There is no pumping function, however, it is just a manual release of the water on our van. The next button shows the state of the leisure batteries. Now, it says B2 because it's battery 2, I guess, but it shows you a symbol look of the van itself, so that's kind of confirming that you are now looking at the status of the leisure battery or batteries, depending on what you've got fitted on your vehicle. And if you press the button again, you get a percentage of health for that battery. It's a cloudy day today. I've been filming for a while. We've had the lights on and it's currently showing at 76%. We have the same for the next button, B1. This is now the status of the cab battery. And again, as you can see, that's currently at 12.5 volts. And if we press it again, it gives me the percentage of the van battery. On our particular van, the van hasn't been moved for 3 weeks. I'm not surprised it's 87%, but it's absolutely fine. And then finally, we have 3 possible symbols that can light up at the bottom here. I'll put them on screen now. The first one and most obvious one that I'll show you is for the electric hookup. So of course, if we were connected to 240 volt electric hookup, this is the symbol I would expect to see when we energize the control panel, effectively when we turn the control panel on. The next symbol will illuminate when the engine is running, and it is basically to confirm that the batteries are charging because you are currently driving the vehicle. And the final symbol is one that shows that a fuse has blown. Now, unfortunately, the control panel will not confirm which fuse has blown, so you are going to actually have to individually check the fuses yourself. We hope you found that short video informative, everyone. If you did, as always, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed to the channel, please consider subscribing. It's absolutely free to do so, and you can follow us on our journeys in our Roller Team motorhome. Many more tips, campsite reviews, holidays, lots of stuff coming to the channel. See you soon.